This video is not affiliated with, endorsed by, or sponsored by the National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence, ASE. It is created solely for educational purposes to help viewers expand their automotive knowledge and prepare for ASE-style topics. For official information, study materials, and certification details, please refer directly to ASE.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got something really helpful lined up for you. 50 practice multiple-choice questions to test your knowledge and help you study smarter. Whether you're brushing up for an exam, preparing for a certification, or just wanting to strengthen your automotive skills, this video is designed to guide you step by step. Grab a notebook, follow along, and see how many you can get right. Let's dive in and start learning together. 1. When replacing a bonded roof panel, the correct adhesive application is A. Small dabs at corners. B. Continuous uniform bead with proper thickness per OEM spec. C. Apply random dots. D. Thick globs every 6 inches. Answer B. Continuous uniform bead with proper thickness per OEM spec. Explanation: a consistent bead ensures full contact and structural adhesion. 2. A dent on a hood has no paint damage. What's the first approach? A. Paintless dent repair, PDR. B. Fill and sand. C. Replace the hood. D. Heat and quench. Answer A. Paintless dent repair, PDR. Explanation: PDR is ideal for small dents with intact paint. 3. What's the main advantage of adhesive bonding on non-structural panels? A. Prevents heat distortion and corrosion. B. Cheaper materials. C. Shortens curing. D. Requires no surface prep. Answer A. Prevents heat distortion and corrosion. Explanation: no heat welding means less panel warping and oxidation. 4. When performing repairs on aluminum panels, a technician should A. Paint before sanding. B. Heat the panel with a torch. C. Use dedicated aluminum tools and clean area to prevent cross-contamination. D. Use steel tools interchangeably. Answer C. Use dedicated aluminum tools and clean area to prevent cross-contamination. 5. Which primer gives the best corrosion protection on bare metal? A. Epoxy primer. B. Urethane sealer. C. Etch primer. D. Base coat. Answer A. Epoxy primer. Explanation: 2K epoxy seals bare metal against corrosion and moisture. 6. The proper thickness for polyester filler should not exceed A. 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters. B. 1 inch. C. 3/4 inch. D. 1/2 inch. Answer A. 1/4 inch, 6 millimeters. Explanation: thicker layers shrink and crack over time. 7. A vehicle arrives with a cracked TPO bumper. Recommended repair: A. Aluminum weld. B. Fiberglass patch. C. Epoxy for SMC. D. Plastic welding or 2-part adhesive system compatible with TPO. Answer D. Plastic welding or 2-part adhesive system compatible with TPO. Explanation: TPO requires compatible adhesives or plastic welding. 8. Which condition causes mapping around filler edges after painting? A. Poor sanding or contamination at filler edge. B. Proper feather edge. C. Correct sealer use. D. Proper bake time. Answer A. Poor sanding or contamination at filler edge. Explanation: coarse scratches or unsealed edges telegraphed through paint. 9. The best grit sequence for feather edging to primer is A. 80 to 180 to 220 to 320 to 400. B. 40 to 60 to 80. C. 600 only. D. 240 to 600 to polish. Answer: A. 80 to 180 to 220 to 320 to 400. Explanation: produces a smooth, invisible transition for refinishing. 10. Seam sealer is used primarily to A. Fill dents. B. Add gloss. C. Replace structural welds. D. Prevent moisture intrusion and replicate OEM seams. Answer: D. Prevent moisture intrusion and replicate OEM seams. Explanation: restores sealing and corrosion protection.
11. When reinstalling bonded glass, safe drive-away time ensures A. Scratch resistance. B. Airbag and structural retention integrity. C. Adhesion of molding. D. Paint curing. Answer: B. Airbag and structural retention integrity. Explanation: correct SDAT ensures the urethane bond can retain glass safely in a crash. 12. Which primer can be applied over bare metal before filler? A. Base coat. B. Epoxy primer. C. Lacquer primer. D. Polyester surfacer. Answer: B. Epoxy primer. Explanation: epoxy bonds well to metal and under filler systems. 13. A glass leak after replacement often means A. Too much primer. B. Incorrect bead size or gaps in urethane. C. High bead placement. D. Incorrect molding color. Answer: B. Incorrect bead size or gaps in urethane. Explanation: urethane must form a continuous, unbroken seal. 14. Which step should occur before applying body filler to a panel? A. Wipe with solvent and abrade surface. B. Bake paint. C. Spray clear coat. D. Apply wax. Answer: A. Wipe with solvent and abrade surface. Explanation: clean abraded middle ensures adhesion and no contamination. 15. Which is not a suitable material for plastic repair? A. Polyester body filler on flexible plastic. B. PP rod for polypropylene repair. C. SMC adhesive for SMC panels. D. Urethane adhesive for bumper covers. Answer: A. Polyester body filler on flexible plastic. Explanation: it's too rigid, will crack on flexible substrates. 16. During adhesive bonding, which factor affects cure time most? A. Temperature and humidity. B. Panel thickness only. C. Paint color. D. Amount of seam sealer. Answer: A. Temperature and humidity. Explanation: two-part adhesives cure slower in cold, faster in warmth. 17. Why are pre-repair scans required on modern vehicles? A. They detect hidden diagnostic trouble codes. B. Just for EVs. C. Only for emission checks. D. Optional paperwork. Answer: A. They detect hidden diagnostic trouble codes. Explanation: even non-structural repairs can set electronic faults. 18. A repaired aluminum panel shows white corrosion. Likely cause: A. Steel tool contamination. B. Epoxy primer used correctly. C. Excessive filler. D. Proper surface prep. Answer: A. Steel tool contamination. Explanation: cross-contamination between metals triggers galvanic corrosion. 19. A cracked urethane adhesive bond usually indicates A. Primer compatibility. B. Overclamping or movement before full cure. C. Proper mixing. D. Correct SDAT. Answer: B. Overclamping or movement before full cure. Explanation: adhesives must remain undisturbed until set. 20. A new OEM door arrives in E-coat. Before painting: A. Strip all E-coat. B. Wash and apply base coat directly. C. Scuff, clean, and seal with primer sealer. D. Apply clear first. Answer: C. Scuff, clean, and seal with primer sealer. Explanation: scuffing ensures adhesion to OEM E-coat.
21. A body filler remains tacky after an hour. Cause: A. Too little hardener or poor mixing. B. Too thick application. C. Too much hardener. D. Correct ratio. Answer: A. Too little hardener or poor mixing. Explanation: under-catalyzed filler won't cure fully. 22. The main purpose of cavity wax is to A. Restore inner corrosion protection. B. Fill gaps in body seams. C. Make paint glossy. D. Reduce static. Answer: A. Restore inner corrosion protection. Explanation: fills hidden cavities with rust-preventing film. 23. What is used to find high-low areas during filler sanding? A. Solvent. B. Guide coat. C. Primer surfacer. D. Tack rag. Answer: B. Guide coat. Explanation: shows unevenness during block sanding. 24. A flexible plastic repair area needs what before paint? A. Flex additive or adhesion promoter per product system. B. Filler sealer. C. Wax coat. D. Etch primer. Answer: A. Flex additive or adhesion promoter per product system. Explanation: maintains flexibility and adhesion in painted finish. 25. Improper heat on high-strength steel during dent repair results in A. Reduced strength and safety integrity. B. Easier welding. C. Better shaping. D. Smoother finish. Answer: A. Reduced strength and safety integrity. Explanation: overheating alters metal structure permanently.
26. What PPE is required when sanding body filler? A. Dust respirator or N95. B. Earplugs only. C. No PPE needed. D. Cloth mask. Answer: A. Dust respirator or N95. Explanation: filler dust is harmful if inhaled. 27. If primer peels from a blend panel, likely cause: A. Surface not properly cleaned or scuffed. B. Too much sealer. C. Correct grit used. D. Flash time followed. Answer: A. Surface not properly cleaned or scuffed. Explanation: contamination or smooth surface prevents adhesion. 28. What causes pinholes in filler? A. Overmixing or air entrapment. B. Too much hardener. C. Cold panel. D. Lack of primer. Answer: A. Overmixing or air entrapment. Explanation: trapped air forms pinholes during curing. 29. Proper surface prep before applying panel bonding adhesive. A. Apply over painted surface. B. Heat only. C. No cleaning needed. D. Bare metal cleaned and abraded. Remove rust, paint, or oil. Answer: D. Bare metal cleaned and abraded. Remove rust, paint, or oil. Explanation: adhesives require clean, textured metal to bond. 30. The final check before delivery should include A. Panel alignment, gaps, glass, and operation of moving parts. B. Color only. C. Tire pressure. D. Engine tune-up. Answer: A. Panel alignment, gaps, glass, and operation of moving parts. Explanation: ensures quality, safety, and completeness. 31. A technician discovers surface rust under a trim piece. Repair includes A. Sand to bare metal, epoxy prime, then top coat. B. Apply filler directly. C. Use lacquer thinner only. D. Paint over rust. Answer: A. Sand to bare metal, epoxy prime, then top coat. Explanation: removes corrosion and seals surface. 32. When trimming cured seam sealer, the correct time is A. Before full cure per manufacturer. B. After top coat. C. After waxing. D. Never. Answer: A. Before full cure per manufacturer. Explanation: easier to shape and maintain adhesion. 33. Why is weld-through primer used? A. For color matching. B. Protects overlapped steel surfaces from corrosion during spot welding. C. Speeds drying. D. Increases hardness. Answer: B. Protects overlapped steel surfaces from corrosion during spot welding. Explanation: zinc-based coating prevents rust inside lap joints. 34. When reinstalling plastic trims or clips, what's best? A. Replace broken clips with new OEM or equivalent. B. Skip minor ones. C. Glue them. D. Reuse damaged clips. Answer: A. Replace broken clips with new OEM or equivalent. Explanation: prevents rattles and ensures proper fit. 35. The correct temperature for storing two-part adhesives is A. 100 degrees Fahrenheit. B. 35 to 45 degrees Fahrenheit. C. Room temperature, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. D. Freezing. Answer: C. Room temperature, 70 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Explanation: keeps adhesive stable and prevents separation. 36. A panel's edge burns during grinding. Cause: A. Too much pressure and heat. B. Proper angle. C. Low speed. D. Correct grit. Answer: A. Too much pressure and heat. Excess friction warps or burns metal coatings. 37. After a door skin bond, adhesive squeeze-out should be A. Ignored. B. Left to cure, then cleaned per TDS. C. Washed off with solvent. D. Ground away immediately. Answer: B. Left to cure, then cleaned per TDS. Wait until partially cured or per instructions for easy cleanup. 38. A quarter glass rattles after installation. Cause: A. Wrong glass thickness. B. Missing or broken mounting clips or tabs. C. Too much urethane. D. Too much primer. Answer B. Missing or broken mounting clips or tabs. Explanation: improper retention leads to vibration noises. 39. For corrosion protection after welding, apply A. Epoxy primer and cavity wax in welded areas. B. Seam sealer only. C. Base coat color only. D. Clear coat. Answer: A. Epoxy primer and cavity wax in welded areas. Explanation: seals welded seams and prevents internal rust. 40. Which sanding block type maintains flatness on broad surfaces? A. Soft foam pad. B. Finger sanding. C. DA sander only. D. Rigid or long sanding block. Answer: D. Rigid or long sanding block. Explanation: prevents waves and preserves contour accuracy.
41. A cracked urethane seam sealer bead indicates A. Proper flexibility. B. Excess thickness or applied over uncured substrate. C. Adequate adhesion. D. Correct flash time. Answer: B. Excess thickness or applied over uncured substrate. Explanation: causes trapped solvent and cracking. 42. A glued emblem detaches in hot weather. Prevention includes A. Reusing old tape. B. Gluing with epoxy. C. Cleaning with alcohol and pressing firmly. D. Applying over waxed surface. Answer: C. Cleaning with alcohol and pressing firmly. Explanation: removes oils and ensures full tape adhesion. 43. NVH materials like foam glads should be A. Replaced in OEM locations only. B. Omitted if minor. C. Installed randomly. D. Painted over. Answer: A. Replaced in OEM locations only. Explanation: maintains factory vibration and noise control. 44. To prevent dieback or dulling after refinishing, ensure A. Proper flash and full cure before top coat. B. Immediate clear coat on wet primer. C. Too thick sealer. D. Excess reducer. Answer: A. Proper flash and full cure before top coat. Explanation: trapped solvents cause gloss loss. 45. A high crown in a panel during dent repair should be A. Hammered directly down. B. Relieved by raising the adjacent low area first. C. Cut out. D. Filled. Answer: B. Relieved by raising the adjacent low area first. Explanation: metal finishing requires balancing highs and lows.
46. A PDR repair on aluminum requires A. Magnetic pullers. B. Specialized aluminum PDR tools and controlled heating. C. Hammer and dolly only. D. Steel rods. Answer: B. Specialized aluminum PDR tools and controlled heating. Explanation: aluminum resists stretching and needs gentle heat. 47. The best way to verify surface cleanliness before refinishing: A. Water break test. B. Visual only. C. Smell test. D. Finger rub. Answer: A. Water break test. Explanation: water should form a uniform sheet if contaminant-free. 48. A plastic headlamp housing repaired near the vent fogs afterward. Reason: A. Sealed or blocked vent hole. B. New bulb installed. C. Too much urethane. D. Wrong color lens. Answer: A. Sealed or blocked vent hole. Explanation: trapped moisture condenses without ventilation. 49. Which sanding pattern minimizes waves in filler work? A. Crosshatch block sanding. B. Small circles with fingers. C. Random circular. D. Straight lines only. Answer: A. Crosshatch block sanding. Explanation: keeps surface level and prevents grooves. 50. When the repair is finished, which documentation step supports insurance compliance? A. Before-after photos and scan reports. B. Only invoice. C. Customer note. D. Paint code note. Answer: A. Before-after photos and scan reports. Explanation: provides proof of quality and OEM-compliant process.
Thanks so much for studying with us today. I hope these practice questions helped boost your confidence and sharpen your skills. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss the next study session. You can click the links on screen right now to watch another study video and keep your learning going. I'll see you over there.